Hello, this is Jack from Silverback. This year we will have the production of the HTI, and you can see this is a .50 bolt action rifle. So this is a 29-inch configuration. The inner barrel will be 730 mm, and we have the silencer licensed from Elite Iron Alpha. And you can see this is this magazine is huge, large piece, but we make a lot of innovation inside. It's easy to maintenance. If you want to remove all the parts inside, it's just 1, 2, you can remove everything. The spray, the spring guide, BB stopper, you can just take out easy way. And to change the power of the HTI is same as SRS. It's quite simple. Then can I have the two? So to remove it, first we just need to unlock the butt plate lock, rotate it, and we will see the spring guide here. Rotate.
Jack is good, it's just a spring, but it's a little bit. Do it again, do it again. Okay, just a spring, but it's one.
Okay. So we can take out the spring just like that. And then you can change the power, whatever you want. And this is the silencer.
We need with the outer barrels we got, we need only the hop-ups and the inner barrels system so we can complete them.
This is the silencer licensed by Elite Iron. It's a .50 silencer, and same like SRS, we will have foam inside, so it's working quite well. Currently, what you see is the production sample already. So for the HTI, it will be available in May. The MSRP will be the 800 USD, and two color will be available, black and FD. And now we are going to show the internal mechanism of the HTI magazine. This is a magazine for 38 rounds BB, and for maintenance it's very easy. You can see some small part inside. If I want to take out everything, I just need two to lock this part. Take out the spring guide and the spring also. BB follower, and release this. I can take out all the parts, and you can see what I just did is holding the part, compress the part with one single tool. And what you can do also, even with the magazine shell here, you don't need to worry, you don't need to take out the magazine shell, because what you need to do is just on the top of the magazine. It's super convenient for daily maintenance. So what we are showing right now is the limited edition of SRS, is the lightweight version. So you can see for the receiver, we make a lot of deep cut to remove the weight, and the handguard we changed to a specific M-lock handguard, which is lighter also. And this part is the bone knob. We reduce the weight, and even for the trigger, internal trigger box, and for the magazine is aluminum magazine, is much lighter than the normal steel magazine. For this version, it will come with short G-spec barrel, which is 310 mm in the barrel length, and also there is carbon silencer. For this one, we produce 100 pieces only, and the MSRP will be 800 USD, and it will be available in within 2 weeks. And so this is the barrel inside. This is a carbon silencer and the G-spec barrel. The total weight for this gun is about 2.3 kg. I can show you this part also. There is a marking here. So what we are showing right now is the MDR with the configuration of 556 version. You can see there is an adapter here, and after using the adapter and changing the mag catch here, you can switch the platform between the 556 and 762. For 762 is using SRS-25 magazine, and 556 is M4 magazine. We are still working for the prototype right now. It will be available in about 6 months. And now I'm going to show you also is the heart of the MDR, which is the gearbox. So currently the gearbox is in a pre-production sample already, And you can see this is the die-cast part of the gearbox case, and this is the injected mold part. Is the case of the PCB. For the PCB, there is a port for programming. We will allow the people in the future to program to set the different configuration for the gearbox, like burst mode or semi-auto, something like that. For the gearbox, inside is using AEG standard gear set, and the piston also is using the AEG standard piston. For the motor is the short AEG type motor, which means AK motor. For the gearbox, there is a quick detach system, so you can change the spring easily, and also it will directly come with T-plug for the battery.